Sgurr nan Eugallt from the Kinloch Hourn road.
Hi, how are you getting on today? 17th of December the day it is, and just thought I'd escape all that Christmas madness and frantic driving and shopping and queuing and all that kind of stuff. Get a wee break for the hills, need to clear the head, so I'm heading for a wee Corbett down in Kinloch Hourn. Been down here a couple of weeks ago. Was kind of hoping for snow, but the snow's cleared up a bit, so we're going for this Corbett going Sgurr nan Eugallt. So you just look for that wee bridge there and park opposite the ruins. That's our stalkers path here to start us up to about the 500 metres point. If you can't get parked here, there's a wee space just round the corner there for at least 6 cars. Let's get going. That's Loch-Quoich over there. There's Garage at the top, sticking under the clouds. Just at the wee car park up there at the head of Loch-Quoich, I thought I'd seen Wilkie Murray, or Murray Wilkie, Scotland's mountains. Out for another adventure. Maybe see him up here, who knows. I'll get the drone out later on, but we're just about at the point where the stalkers path disappears and we'll gain the main ridge. It's a good hour takes me to this section here, which is the end of the stalkers path. You can see the Lochaber down there next to the bridge where we started. There's Loch-Quoich still up there. So we're up on the ridge now, and there's the target dead ahead now. Unfortunately under more cloud, but hopefully that'll lift. And the clouds moved in now as we're getting closer to the trig point area. A few wee rocks about now, these scrambler sections. Reflections, photograph opportunity. Of what? Not a lot. Very atmospheric up here. And here comes the trig point. And here goes the trig point. So we're heading towards the true summit now. Coming towards the true top now, which is just up in that next bit of cloud there. So after a good 5-10 minutes of the summit, trig point, we find the real summit here. I had a conversation with a nice lady just before the steep section there, who was telling me she'd just completed 200 Corbetts. Well done, excellent. And I know she reached the top because her footprints are there.
So then the next thing, I turned around and then there was this beautiful Brocken Spectre. Look at all the colours. I was too slow with the camera but decided to put the drone through the gory and see what came out. Here's the results.
Time to go. Leave no trace. Make sure I've not left anything. On the return route now, a bit of snow there. And up here should take us to the wee trig point. Nice shot. There she is. The trig point in the mist there. Back on the little ridge now. Take our time. Rocks are a wee bit damp here. Still don't fancy these mammoth boots for grip. Not comfortable with them yet. That's us on our way down now, and as you can see, haven't met a soul all day except for that lady who's completed the 200 Corbetts so far. She's from Newcastle. She's going to Loch-Quoich now, so just been enjoying that helter-skelter road in. 22 kilometres of pure nightmare road. Anyway, good luck to her, all the best, safe journeys back down to Newcastle. Well, that's me done now. I'm not sure whether I'll get back out again this year. Well, I will. But in the meantime, it's Christmas, so we'll tune out and hope everybody has a good time and stay safe with that COVID, that Omicron, and be sensible when we're out and about. I'm lucky up here, just the nature of where I live. Unfortunately, I know all is lucky, so keep safe and I'll catch up with you next time. Cheers. And safely back at the car.